boys and girls, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make your All About the Number 12 and 13 books. This is to review 12 and 13 that we learned this week in math. So you're going to need a glue stick, some scissors. You might have to have your mom and dad staple it for you. And your book. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages long. The first thing you're going to do is cut it in half. I'm just going to pretend to cut, but you're really going to cut. Or your mom or dad or whoever. You're going to go choo, 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 right in half. And make it so it's half a page each. So this is the front of your book. It says All About the Number 12. I worked on one too so that I could show you what it looks like. Your second page is going to be you practicing the numbers 12 and then tracing the numbers 12 and then writing a couple of number 12. And then I want you to practice tracing the word 12. If you want to try to write it, you can, but you do not have to. It's just to trace the letters, just to get used to writing letters. Okay. The third page is called I Can Do Rainbow Writing. Spin the spinner, trace a number or a word using the color you spun, and repeat. Okay, wow. This one takes a little bit of explaining. Hopefully I can do it. Actually, I don't know how I can show you very well. I'm going to try. Okay, you need a paper clip and a pencil. I could use an assistant. Too bad Zoe doesn't know how to hold things. Anyway, you like this, and you're going to flip it. And, oh, I got a line. But I got the color blue. So it says blue. You're going to need your mom or dad to help you read that. So then I would take my blue marker or pencil and trace it in blue. 1, 2 for 12. But actually, when I spun it, I got red. So I got a red, a green, and a green. And then I spun it again, and I got 12 in blue. And then I spun it again, and I got 12 in purple. So the idea is just to make it a little more fun and to practice your colors and to make it rainbow writing. So it says trace a number or word using the color you spun and repeat. So that's the next page. The next one says, I can find the number 12. So you can circle or highlight the number 12. I did some of them for you. 12, 12, 12, but there's some more for you to find. Okay. And then the next page, we're going back to our fun little 10 frames. If you don't want to color, you can make X's like I did. So you're going to fill up a whole 10 frame and then 2 more for 12. All right, the next one's kind of tricky. It's just to expose you to it because you'll be seeing this a lot when you go to kindergarten and first grade. You start at the 0 and you circle your number 12 and you count the hops that you do to get from 0 to 12. So it wants you to add, it says I can tow 12 hops on a number line. So you just make little hops, little circles, half circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hops. Have your mom or dad help you with that one because that one's tricky. And then the next one, you're going to color 12 stars. Mrs. Jen was feeling a little lazy, so I just put dots in the middle of mine, but you can color yours. And then you're going to draw 12 objects. You can do anything you want. You can do smiley faces, you can do flowers, you can do hearts. I chose to do hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I made 12 hearts. Now the next page is a little tricky. I'm going to show you on their full page here. It says, here are ways to show 12. And down below You're going to cut this in half, and then you're going to cut on the dotted lines, and you're going to show 3 ways to show the number 12. I see one that we've done before where we show it with the 10 frame and then 2 extra. And also 6 plus 6 make 12. If you count the dots, that's 12. I'm going to count the dots on this one and see if this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, that's not 12, so you don't need that one. Oh, here's one with a 10 frame. Is that all the way full? No, so we know it's less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9. How about this with the tally marks? This is another thing that I'm just exposing you to, because you're going to see this when you get a little bigger too. Every time you do 4 lines and a line through it, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, so that shows 12 too. So those are the 3 ways. So you're going to cut those out and glue them on. 1, 2, 3. So the back of your book should end up looking like this when you're all done. 12, 12, and 12. And then you're going to take them all and put them in any order you want. Except for all about the number 12 should be on the front. And then you're going to staple it like a little book. And you can read it to your mom or dad or brother or sister and show them all about the number 12. Okay, so basically you're going to follow the same instructions for making your all about the number 13. It's not going to be about 12. It's going to be about, you got it, 13. So you're going to cut the pages and do the same things, but not for 12, but 13. Okay, thanks. And if you want to show me your book, it's jholt@allsaintsspokane.net. I'd love a picture. Okay, bye. Happy math. See you next week.